Hi students, welcome to Bosco Campus Vision. Today's session is about phonology. What is phonology? Phonology is a component of linguistics which deals with the way in which sounds function in a language. It deals with the selection and organization of sounds and the sound units called phonemes. What about the selection of sounds? If we examine two languages carefully, we'll find that some sounds that exist in one language do not exist in the other. For example, the sound that begins the English word father, that is, the f sound, does not exist in several Indian languages. Again, the sound that begins the English word village, that is, the sound v, does not exist in many Indian languages. That means the sounds f and v have not been selected by several Indian languages. So we can say that each language makes use of only a selected group of sounds. Then what about the organization of sounds? Each language organizes the sounds selected by it in different ways. For example, English permits SK combination word initially. That is, English words can begin with these two sounds s and k. For example, we have words like school, skull, skin, etc. But in Hindi, these two sounds do not occur word initially without a vowel in between. So we can say that each language organizes the sounds in different ways. Phonology thus deals with the distinctive sounds and their specific patterning in a particular language. What about phonemes? A phoneme is the smallest distinctive unit of sound in the sound system of a language. The phonemes of a language are distinctive or contrastive. That is, they stand in contrast with one another in the phonological system of that language. In other words, we can say that when one phoneme is substituted by another, it produces a meaning change. Yes, when the h sound is substituted by the p sound in the word hit, it becomes pit, a different word with a different meaning. Thus, h and p are contrastive in English and hence two different phonemes in English. Thus, a phoneme is the smallest linguistic unit of sound which can bring about a change of meaning. Each language has its own set of phonemes. The phonological system of a language can be determined by establishing the phonemes of that language. This can be done by discovering and collecting minimal pairs. Two words which differ from each other in just a single sound constitute a minimal pair. Thus, in English, peel and pool form a minimal pair, contrasting the two vowel sounds e and oo. Again, set and pet constitute a minimal pair in English, differing from each other in the initial consonant alone. And we can identify s and p as two phonemes in English. So, that's about minimal pairs. Here comes the questions for you. Please do answer these questions. Thank you so much for paying attention.